To recap, these are our options. We try to make them give us the gold, or we drill a big old hole in the side of the bank and we take it out. If you're drilling a big old hole, you'll need a big old drill, a tunnel bore machine. I'll locate it, but you have to steal it and store it near the bank. They're excavating a new part of the metro network around there, so that's where you'll go in. We'll need choppers for the getaway, too. Trevor has one we can use, the other can be bought. The guys on the ground will need a getaway car, so get something fast and tough, and then modify it as much as you can to increase your chances of getting away from the cops. It's got to be stored in a parking garage near the UD. There's going to be a lot of heat, so think about that. I'm forgetting something. Oh, that's it. We'll need a train to land the gold on and take it to the warehouse. You'll have to steal it. Again, I'll send you the details. Now, if you're interested in the more, subtle approach, hijacking the armored cars and so on, you've got to get some police stingers. Only cops are licensed to have them, so that's a headache of its own. What else? You'll need to get a hold of and mod some getaway cars. Normal suspension's gonna give out under a couple of tons of gold.
Whoa, man, a couple of tons?
4 tons in total. That's what I can get the system to divert into the cage we're hitting.
Fuck me!
Okay, last thing. You remember that underpass we saw from the helicopter? Well, that's where I'll set up the smoke and mirrors to get the cops off your scent.
I've heard that before.
Michael, subtle or obvious? What's it going to be? Oh, you want him to give you the medal? Okay, well, it's gonna take a big first gunman. Gus Moda. He's a pro. Not much else to say. Norm. Came across as a bit of an idiot, but could be useful. And driver number 1 takes the wheel in the 4th getaway car, is gonna be at the bank with you and help loading. They're a key part of this. Driver number 2 helps you hijack the armored cars and will be in charge of replacing the tires your stingers ripped out. Eddie Toe. Okay. This one's new blood. I've seen him drive, but I haven't seen him under pressure. Now, the hacker... Harris. Good. Feminine touch. She'll be able to find any... We'll only get one shot at this thing. Okay. We need those stingers and the modified getaway cars. I knew you'd like that.
Sounds kind of fruity, if you ask me.
Nobody asked you. Look, this is our only hope. You control traffic in this town, you control the streets. I think it could work.
It will work, as long as we're ready to move now. Come on, I'll take you to the equipment.
Fucking asshole. All right, let's go. Hey, man.
So we really doing this shit?
Frank, come on, next door. Our network hacker. Don't be fooled by the CRT and the fax machine. The hardware here is state-of-the-art.
Cool.
Hey, where's the rest of the crew?
Outside.
Hey, good luck, homies. I'll see y'all at Mission Row, all right?
Oh, we'll see you there with approximately 8 tons of gold.
4 tons, not 8. All right, people, let's go. Get in the car, baby. We are about to make history. Come on, we're on the clock. Let's get to the tunnel.
What the fuck, Michael? Someone's losing their cherry on the Union Depository?
Hey, so we ain't worked together before. They got experience.
This is a big job, but I can handle it, homie. My references are good, you know what I'm saying?
Chill the fuck out. Tranquilo, man. They're cool.
They don't look cool. They don't sound cool. And cool is one of those things where the perception creates the reality. Ergo, the asshole is not fucking cool.
They're on board. And there ain't no changing that before we hit the big one, so you better deal with it.
And I thought you were the only guy I had to keep my eye on.
All right, the trucks aren't here yet. Let's sit tight. There's no need to panic.
We weren't panicking. Something wrong?
Nothing's wrong. We just gotta wait.
You saying don't panic makes me want to panic.
Alright, here we go. This is it.
All right, I see the vans. Rock and roll.
Rock and roll. Seriously? Let's go.
Deploy the Stinger. Okay, now keep driving.
Out! Out! Come on! Get out of the vehicle! Get out of the vehicle! Let's go!
Oh, shit. Move your ass! You do not want to die for this shit!
Shit. Oh, shit.
Your move, buddy.
No! Get a fucking move on!
Come on, move! Hurry up!
Just hold on! Hey! You get these ready!
Please.
Let's go! Yeah, we got a 1 minute window before the GPS starts reading abnormal.
Ooh, then let the slaughter commence! Who you like?
This one.
No. Oh, shit. Hey, please, whatever you
Yeah,
need.
no shit. We need you.
No.
What's your name?
Casey.
Casey! Get in the fucking truck!
Let's go! Go, get in!
Let's go!
Come on, go, move!
Your welfare! Quit whimpering. Union Depository, here we come.
Shit.
Relax, man. I'm the one who should be crapping myself. I'm about to rob the biggest bank on... Casey, I need you calm. You're no use to me when you're freaking the fuck out. What you want to be right now is useful.
Onion 86 in sight. Stand by. Hey, I was expecting you like half minute ago.
Here you go. Gets me every time.
Onion 86 in the building. Eggplant 22 in sight. Stand by.
They're here.
Don't do anything stupid. Let's go, pal.
Good. Good. Access is good. Courtesy escort is go.
Take us to it.
Follow me.
Hurry it up, Chubbs.
How's things?
Good. Yeah, fine.
I bet the freeway is an absolute B***** CH today.
Tell me when it isn't.
And you gentlemen have to sit in those trucks, bored out of your minds, staring at more money than you know what to do with. Okay.
Let's go.
Collection team is here.
You ain't getting through that thing with a chisel.
Hey, so you know what to do?
Uh-huh. Come on.
Okay.
Gentlemen?
A job to do.
Absolutely.
boy, oh boy.
There is a lot of gold in there.
We're just holding on to it for the Chinese.
Well, we ever want to keep it in the United States?
Sure, take what you can carry.
That's good stuff.
All right, come on. We got a schedule day.
Sorry. These are heavy.
A little over 2 tons a pallet.
Yeah? So what's that worth?
Gold's trading at around 1,700 to 2,000 an ounce. 35 ounces a kilo, give or take. 1,000 kilos a ton, so that's...
$200 million or thereabouts.
Give me a... Yep, that sounds about right. Got many jobs after this?
No, it's the last one.
He's retiring.
Exploring other opportunities.
Hey, your chance of an early death increases dramatically when you retire.
Yeah, I'll bear that in mind.
My back! This much metal ain't normal, is it?
Quite irregular. Order came down this morning, but the computer cleared it.
Well, let's hope no one untoward gets word.
That's what you and the rest of the security gets paid for, isn't it? Cargo's in the loading bay.
Get her on board!
All right, come on, let's not take up any more of this gentleman's time than we have to.
That's it! Let's go!
Hey, I'm not feeling so well, and I thought
Hey,
maybe
come
I
on,
could just,
Casey,
you know...
suck it up.
You can't handle the hangover, Case. Do not overindulge.
That's right. This man right here will teach you a little something about moderation.
Cargo is gone.
Don't worry, Case. Remove this metal at Mission Row, and you're all done. Control, we got the metal. What's your situation?
Not good, man. Merriweather know we took the UD. They out there looking for you.
Fuck. You got a solution for this problem?
We tapped into the traffic light system. I'll try to keep them away from you.
Fuck. I hope you got a solution for this problem.
Yeah, dog, we own it.
Okay. The link's active. Now you can control the traffic lights. Let's go. Good luck.
Hey, we got it. Man, this shit seem easy enough. Okay, we in.
I got you a clean connection. Shouldn't be any lag on switches.
Hey, on the east side, man, heavies, watch out.
Okay, I gotta go east here. This one's clear.
Switched.
Okay, both of you go left. Oh, shit, more mercs coming from the northwest.
There you go. Change is in.
Now you gotta make a right here.
The light is green.
Now I need you to keep going over.
There it is.
This one looks good.
Yeah, go right at this junction. Hey, we flagged some bad dudes on the west.
We got a green light.
Then, make a right turn. Shit, more incoming from the south.
They're waving us through.
Changed.
Oh, shit, look out. More Merriweather's coming from the north.
You're good.
Okay, now, home stretch.
Green light ahead.
Done.
Hustle up! You guys, redistribute the weight.
Here they are.
Hey, good work, F.
Damn, I can't believe we got the medal.
Damn right, all without firing a bullet.
Oh, don't forget our pace here, huh? The lead ain't gonna be wasted.
Please don't. No, wait.
Biggest score of our lives, we ain't taking any chances. Sorry, Pally.
T.
Well,
It ain't a chance.
please,
if he's
please.
in on it. Huh? Get up. Hey, get up. You tell him something that ain't on the news already. This whole thing was your idea.
Yeah, I understand. Not a word.
Exactly.
Yeah, I was jumped. I never saw a thing.
Go!
you're fucking going as soft as that old flaccid boy in your pants. This divorce couldn't come soon enough.
Fucking A!
Yeah!
Come on, man. Fuck. Work first, bicker later, man, all right? Oh, shit, Merriweather.
Mercenary
All right,
motherfuckers.
you, keep loading. We'll deal with this.
Get out the way! I bet the homeless is happy we paid them to get out of here.
That ain't even fair!
Get out of here. This is my last job for sure.
Good boy.
Get them back!
Fuck off already.
Paycheck's no good when you're dead, you ass. Keep it busy.
We deal with the murders, we get out!
Just in time for the action to start.
This is someone's home, you animals.
There's more of them! There'll be more coming!
Hey, get in the score.
Fucking mercenaries. Paycheck's no good when you're dead, you ass.
I'm mad. Hey, man, help. Fuck off already.
Jesus! Die, you prick!
Who else will be fucking this up?
I don't feel sorry for you!
Just in time for the action to start.
Go away!
Hey, they ain't gonna catch the whips.
Just fuck off already!
Close them down!
How many dudes they got in this private army?
If I'd known you'd be this annoying!
I think that's it! That's the last of them!
So much for the bulletless revolution!
Man, we always getting fucked with.
You, hold the perimeter. Everyone else, in your cars. We leave while we can.
Hey, what's stopping me from riding off into the sunset, huh? With my saddlebags a-bulging?
Lester's the only guy who can flip metal without making a noise, dipshit. You want to try? Be my guest.
Alright! Lead the way!
On me, people.
Calling on Merriweather PM report any depository suspect receiving instrumentality
About to pull left. Thanks for keeping us in the loop. Let's beat that LS traffic. Oh, the cops are getting frisky. Got a lift coming up. Yes, team leader. See the vehicles. Okay, seal the tunnel and get a ground team in there stat.
All right. Those guys will take care of the metal. Lester's meeting us at my place.
Love is the only thing that keeps us here. That and a binding contract. But hey, who doesn't need a better agent? Things aren't always black and white. There's always a middle ground in life. Sometimes things aren't what they appear. Plan ahead. Get a good divorce attorney and run for the hills at the first sign of trouble. Don't drink, eat right, get plenty of sleep, and die of boredom. Los Sanos Rock Radio is about seizing life by the horns and getting gored in the process. Fantastic driving song.
Gentlemen!
Lester.
We have just made history.